Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to configure your proxy port number on your account on X Switcher easy and quick. First click on your profile, now click settings and privacy, and now click proxy, and now here we'll find it, proxy port. Just click on it and enter a port number, and that's it. That's how to configure your proxy port number easy and quick, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.